special edition of Inside the Farm television program, the program that tells you happening in the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Food Security, but most especially the two IFAD-funded projects in Sierra Leone, I mean the RCPRP and the RFCIP, with me, George Nyambe Williams, the Media and Communications Officer for these two projects in Sierra Leone.
I spent 26 years outside Sierra Leone before the president say, come, do for your country what you do outside your country. And I'm glad if I come back. And since I come 5 months ago, now the first field, rice field where I don't visit.
The voice of Professor Multi Jones in one of the Inland Valley Swamp, being funded by the RCPRP.
Today when I get luck, when I get big stringer there.
Yes, sir.
This stringer that will come,
Yes, sir.
they come out from State House.
Yes, sir.
Then outside the president in office dinner, they say,
Yes, sir.
they call them, I saw somebody tell me yesterday, they call them, they say the 3 wise men. The one that will get experience, they don't learn, and they don't work, but government still want them. Make it continue for advise them so that make the country develop. For make it get there, it's not easy. It's not easy. But because of the interest of the president, for make sure say we're able to feed yourself, now let me say find time for camp. I want to start with what Bikara did. I said the man with the whole world, they say this now possible get sense. They get a prize, Nobel Prize winner. Now other countries there, they put on on the head, amok. But we now, you never get a chance for Canada, but you don't begin to small. And it's a for can see the work we don't do before, how it help the people. And luckily we don't come, we don't see how the women all look very busy for harvest the rest. So we're very much pleased. My name Professor Multi Jones.
Professor Multi Jones.
Yes, Professor Multi Jones.
It was a moment of emotions when the people of Komende town, I mean few miles from Kenema, crowned the Sierra Leone-born rice breeder, Professor Multi Jones, as paramount chief for their area in honor of his contribution in producing the Venerica rice variety, which these farmers are now benefiting from. How it all went.
All due respect, sir.
I hope you go very inside. The back. Is it the back?
No, it's okay.
Thank you.
We are down.
I tell you, I will thank you.
Yeah, say well,
As my colleague did mention,
yeah, now they work
I don't go plenty sign at the world.
yeah, yes, yeah, what do you?
I don't receive award plenty sign at the
Yeah,
world.
what president Botoa, my Jibuta, yeah, Majuaka,
Na America,
yeah, America,
na Europe, plenty countries na
and Majuaka, Europe, dog Boto,
England,
yeah,
Brussels,
yeah, England, Brussels, French,
in Africa, South Africa,
yeah, South Africa,
Cote d'Ivoire,
yeah, Cote d'Ivoire,
Sierra Leone, even the president go give me the Golden Jubilee Award.
Yeah, but what? Yeah, Manda Pokwe, presidency, and it's my Kruma. Tabori Egogwe a Golden Award.
The president of Cote d'Ivoire, the president of Benin, Nigeria, they all gave me award.
But what? You're beginning Aragia, you're Agricoso, Benin, you.
But the one where
the president is at
the award where I cherish most.
You can't quit the Nego.
And this one where I don't get. I tell you now, plenty thank you. For this mission, we don't go plenty side. But when we come,
away.
the ladies them and the masquerade them welcome we.
Oh, welcome you.
And we're glad for that. That big welcome we give we all, we glad. As my colleague them mentioned, and the president now give we the go ahead for Kanaya.
Yeah, Mada, Pokwe, President, President, Kene, and as by Kuma, Yatama Gogoni are okay, Kotuambe.
Somebody say, the president in Yai Denaya.
Yanu Yadenoya, Kenya Meombe, Damia. Fine.
But I go add say the president in heart Denaya.
Yakata, the president Yame and Nadia, Yakagiri be.
Because we know say the president na man when get this country in our heart. When the president come, it's not the first thing we do. The president come with one program they call Agenda for Change.
Agenda for Change.
That's nice, start the ball rolling. Because the president say we all for change. And we all for change for the better. As we begin for start that one, we don't begin say, okay, change, small change, you don't begin for come. The president say if we add to that, so now it comes with the agenda for prosperity.
Agenda for prosperity.
And the agenda for prosperity for build on that agenda for change.
Agenda for prosperity now.
So that every person in Sierra Leone go get prosperity.
So no good you
Waiting that mean? That means regardless of any corner where you did at this country, whether you did at the city, whether you did at the village, whether you did at the town, any side where you did, you go able for eat the food where you want for eat. You go able for earn money. You go able for send your children into school. You go able for bill you owes. You go able for get electricity. You go get all the amenities that will go make you live a good life. That time we call prosperity. If you want job, you go get job. If you want for plant again, you go get food. So that make a talk say when the president say we can he say we can with in yai and he say we can with in heart. As we the driver with the camera, I see the Rika rice. I say, my God. Because me not agriculturist, I don't take part this job. I know say this field when I get go give on at 5 hectares, 5 tons per hectare. You go give on at 5 to 6 tons per hectare.
5 to 10 tons per hectare.
Where that na high yield. And if we not continue like for get this kind of yield. Because na boku work na go for this field. If we not continue to get this kind, then we go move towards achieving that prosperity. Where the president wants for God. So Another thing that make me glad
ye na hwe pie bogo na ni
when you can a community
ye giba wa bobo da gama
and then you see people that all they talk with passion.
ye betu pero ta ye pepu
You see man, you see woman, you see pikin, you see boys, you see girls. All man they talk, all man gladdy. This my wonderful society.
Ye ba ko ro beka ye ke be ye nyade go arame ye na.
Because when you go to a place, some them happy, other one they not happy. Where all man happy is very good. Because that means a progress go in that society. And the prayer where we they pray to the Almighty, now for let progress can as Sierra Leone, and let this village be one of the first one they when go show that prosperity. And I go tell on one thing that we when can we on an expert in various fields. And I think Sierra Leone we blessed. Sierra Leone we blessed.
You are alive.
We blessed because God give you sunshine.
God
give you rainfall. God give you rivers, give you water. We get the good environment. And at the same time, we get the people that when get passion for within anything. Sierra Leone we bless. Because despite the fact that we been get problem. The problem when destroy we infrastructure. God put that behind we. And now we don't begin for one advice where I will give. On a not left on a cocoa, on a not left on a cocoa filo. Plant rice na this one.
You na farmer where they think outside forget machine or things them will go help you work na your farm. You get land for farm, but you not get the capital for buy you seed. Grass or tick them they grow na your plantation, and you not able for hire labor, or you don't harvest you plant them, but you not get the copper for transport you produce go na the market. Well, your problem done. Just knock na any community bank near you and ask for any agric loan today. With the agric loan, whether na all community bank, you can buy or hire machine or things them for work na farm. For harvest more, go get fund for buy seed, hire laborer and machine or go take you produce them go na the market easy one. What more you want? You can pay back your agric loan small and you can pay small interest or go fit your pocket. So all you grab this chance for beat their loan shark them. But remember say, where God don't bless you, not forget for pay back your loan so that other people go benefit.
How did other members of the entourage felt about this special field visit?
Yes, of course, ambassador, we always say that great ambassador, minister for all the chiefs over the years, itself, we get your area.
Yeah, ambassador, Daudata, you tell me my grow.
So me, I can always say be the Sierra Leonean because you are always a baby.
Yeah, Tata, you know, go.
No parts not in the Sierra Leone, they don't say baby, we are not get paddy, we are not get fambu.
Yeah, and that bina. Dugati go nata ya go padina.
We have been Minister of Information and Communication every month. I they go either Pujaun, Kabbalah, Cambia, Boo, etc., for me could make all the people and feel the same.
Yeah, Minister Information Babinama. Yeah, Ali, that Billy. I love Pujaun, Cambia, Port Loco, Doeji, Magbele, Adjesiada.
Because that one word will make country go before, like how the president they say.
Yes, your president here, Dela.
So, Professor Alec, with all in knowledge, with all we own determination for help, if we are not get one word, we are not able to go before. So, we need for work together as a team.
Yeah, go ye, and I go ye now. yetami abie wo le gloma wo ye ge pe aguya ye wa le gloma.
So we not just kind of we just all kind of the DC the country
ye di wa Malaysia le wo DCC anata wa wo.
Na in a big bang we kind as ordinary Sierra Leoneans we are young countrymen there we all are the same.
Ye to we lo bi wo gila ketia be wati mi alo no ye mi awe.
Yes, if I get a farm of 100 acres.
Ye ta vi be alo ebido ye gba alo na 100 acre mi.
Me na farmer.
Ye ta vi pa la mo.
So we all did at the same group at the same class.
Ye upe wati upe wo ye group ye da ho ro.
So let we listen to what the president say for make this country go before.
Ya mu wo lo kpoko ma Dr. Ernest Bai Krumah na adia mu maka omu le gloma.
And the one agenda for prosperity means we all for benefit to for go before.
Ye jita president ye di ye mpem munulo ma wo ma mpem le maglo alega.
And I don't see agriculture as one of the major areas we could help the Sierra Leoneans to make it develop.
Ye hinda every president atoy ye gegigi wo piema ye tami ale apiemu le gloma.
Let me professor always they encourage we for collaborate with the Minister of Agriculture, and we don't do that from
ye tami we professor did my yetia ye get that Ministry of Agriculture. Ye na aye do ele glo.
So those are the last visit we will come back.
Ye kema evami agito wa pima uma to ama abo malo.
When we the president will tell us say we need dry floor, we need store, we need this.
The
professor will have to put across what we need them.
Yeah, Professor Adiogoma, of course, yeah, I did that.
But again, we have to say thanks to Agriculture Ministry and IFAD
for
making possible for make we can see what they happen at the field.